Welcome to the instructions for your Wellwisse COVID-19 antigen test. The Wellwisse COVID-19 antigen test has the following items: instruction booklet, 1 nasal swab, 1 buffer extraction tube with nozzle cap, 1 test cassette in a foil pouch. Please check the expiry to ensure it is still in date. To start, wash your hands thoroughly for at least 30 seconds. Peel and remove the seal on the buffer extraction tube and place it into the workstation. This is located on the back of the Wellwisse COVID-19 antigen test box. You may need to pierce the box to allow it to fit. Open the sterile swab packaging and remove the nasal swab, ensuring you don't touch the swab tip. Insert the nasal swab 2 to 3 centimeters into your nasal cavity, ensuring it is parallel to your palate and is met with resistance. Rotate the swab around your nasal cavity wall at least 10 times over 15 seconds in both left and right nostrils. Place the nasal swab into the buffer extraction tube, making sure it is immersed in the solution. Then stir 10 plus times for at least 10 seconds. To remove the nasal swab, squeeze the tube with your fingers while pulling out the swab. Push the cap down on the buffer extraction tube, making sure it is firmly in place. Place the test cassette on a clean, flat surface. Turn the extraction tube upside down and place 3 drops of sample solution into the window of the test cassette. Wait 15 minutes for your results. Your test is negative if only 1 line appears in the C area of the test cassette. A negative test result should be treated as presumptive and may not mean you are infectious with SARS-CoV-2. Repeat testing within 1 to 3 days is recommended if ongoing suspicion of infection, high risk of setting, or occupation or other requirement. Follow guidelines from your local state or territory health department. If you are unwell, seek medical assistance. Your test is positive if there are 2 lines in the C and T area, even if the T line is only faint. A positive test result indicates the antigens from SARS-CoV-2 were detected and you are likely to be infected and presumed contagious. Follow guidelines from your local state or territory health department. If you are unwell, seek medical assistance. Your test is invalid if your test has a line in the T area only or returns no result. This may be due to incorrect handling or sample size. For an invalid test result, you will need to retest with a new nasal swab sample and test cassette. If problems persist, contact Wellwisse Pharmaceuticals. Do not read the test after 20 minutes. Carefully dispose of the used test kit by placing it into a sealed waste bag before disposal into household rubbish.